Ok. Gary, do you want to know how I do this makeup? Just keep watching. Eh? And if you want to know how my bellies reduce, follow me on my page and on my YouTube. I will show you guys. Very simple. Keep watching to the end. It's long go. Just keep watching to the end. See you. Bonjour. Bonjour à tous. Là, je vais faire un petit maquillage. Ok. Je vais faire un petit maquillage. Là, je ne vais pas utiliser les produits de Mary Kay. Parce que les produits de Mary Kay, je ferai ça demain. Je ferai ça demain. Là, je vais utiliser tout ce que j'ai auparavant pour faire ce maquillage. Ok? Parce que ce soir, je serai en live ce soir sur ma page, là où je vends ce que je vends. Donc, ça veut dire que les cheveux, les cosmétiques et tout. Donc, si ça vous intéresse, n'hésitez pas à me rejoindre sur la page Adès-Beauté. Que Dieu vous bénisse. On commence. Voilà. Pas grand chose en haut là. J'ai tout rasé. Presque. J'ai fait ça pour pouvoir faire d'autres styles que j'ai trouvé chez mes admirateurs, en fait les gens que j'ai admirés, donc les gens, les artistes là, donc je vais utiliser ça. Ça j'avais acheté à l'époque chez Sephora. Ok. Peut-être que je suis trop bas. Cette caméra-là, elle n'est pas assez haut. Okay. En même temps, j'ai fait la vidéo. J'ai fait la vidéo que je vais mettre sur YouTube. Donc, c'est pour ça que vous voyez un peu mon oeil, mes yeux à gauche, à droite. Et en même temps, je suis sur Facebook aussi. Ok, c'est comme ça on fait. Alors, ce que je cherche, c'est ça. Avant, j'ai dit non, j'ai fait avant. All right. Juste comme ça, on va reprendre. Alors, pour faire de l'autre côté aussi, pareil. Moi, je commence par là. Parce que c'est ici que je veux plus. Ok. Yes, I love that. Alors, I think this place is small. Okay. And I think I'm correct. I am in the right track. I think so. I love this drawer. This one is not falling into. I don't know. Good boy. score this place, they just injure me that time. And the something is not just falling the way I need it. I think it's okay now. It's not a falling just where I want it, but I'm going to leave it like that. So, maintenant, on revient devant, on va utiliser celle qui est plus foncée. Plus foncée, ok. On va pas tourner. Alors, je vais faire mon huile. J'en ai plus de l'huile pour nourrir mes cheveux. Donc, je vais faire d'autres. Et je serai sur live pour faire ça. Aujourd'hui, là, que je fais ceci, là, il y a personne qui de mon travail. Ok, donc on va bien, ok, on le fait comme ça. Ok, maintenant. Oh, Seigneur, ce que je vais utiliser, j'ai raté. Bon, c'est pas grave, je vais utiliser autre chose. Come here, my friend. Come here. Ok. Alors, là, je vais utiliser ça. Alright. Je prends juste un peu. Ok. Yeah. Voilà, le fard à paupières est prêt. Donc, là, je vais utiliser cette couleur. Et après, je vais utiliser cette couleur. C'est les deux couleurs que je vais utiliser. Deux couleurs. On va pas faire flash. On va être classe un peu. Let's go. Ok. On va mettre partout. Partout. Ok. Partout. Je vais pas faire flash, je vous avais dit, hein. J'adore cette couleur. Hey, Seigneur. J'adore. I love this color. Mama. What are you not saying? J'adore. N'ayez pas peur, mettez-le, mais petit à petit, hein, parce qu'elles sont aimantes. Ok. I love this. I love this. I love that. It's not enough here. On ne pressez pas pour se maquiller, hein? Et right now, alors cette masse color. Je ne veux pas utiliser. Ce mascara, je ne vais pas utiliser ici. Je vais juste utiliser en haut ici.
Alors, la première étape, c'est la pasteurisation. On chauffe le lait là-dedans, très chaud, pour supprimer les bactéries.
Voyez comment le mascara là est top.
Puis ça, c'est pour séparer le lait et la crème. Et juste après, on en remet dedans.
C'est pas logique. Vous enlevez, puis après vous remettez. Ça tourne un peu en rond.
C'est pour avoir un dosage et une qualité toujours parfait quand on fait du lait écrémé, demi-écrémé et entier.
Ah ouais, d'accord. Ah, merci.
Ensuite, c'est l'homogénéisation.
Et comment ça se fait
Then
qu'on
you
peut garder
feel
le lait super
just
longtemps
like that.
C'est grâce à la stérilisation UHT, ultra haute température. Sinon, vous ne pourrez le garder que 2 jours.
Waouh, mais pourquoi il est déguisé en chirurgien?
Tu sais, le lait c'est très fragile. Donc quand on le met en bouteille, tout doit être parfaitement
Et
stérile.
voilà.
Et lui aussi.
Après, c'est
So we are going to do the other side like that. Just like that. Okay, so we are done there. On a fini là-bas et après on va mettre. Est-ce que je dois mettre en bas? Oui, sûr. Tout d'abord, je vais passer. Ok, on va repasser une autre en bas. I'm going to be using this one. Let's see, because it's almost the same color. Perfect. If even too much, I'm going to add black color to it. All right. I think I have to have to eat here. Je le vois, elle a utilisé ça hier. Donc celle-là, c'était pour fabriquer une perruque. Parce que moi, je la vends, mais je vais la prendre aussi un peu comme elle a fait hier. Je vais faire la même chose. Et j'ai trop pris là. Hein. Donc, qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait? Elle a enlevé parce que, vous voyez, les cils là, j'ai déjà utilisé. Elle aussi, elle fait pareil. Elle a déjà utilisé aussi ces cils plusieurs fois. Des fois, elle a dit que même elle utilisait pas la même fossile, elle utilise la même par mois. Une par mois comme ça. Donc, c'est ça que j'ai vu, elle faisait hier. Oula. Le mien là, il est costaud. Hein? Voilà. Ça colle très vite. Hein? Ce truc là, ça colle très très vite. Et ça sèche très vite.
Qui font du bon lait livré dans les 48 à 72 heures à la laiterie. Voilà, elles sont toutes là.
Donc,
quand il fait beau, elles sont au pré et elles broutent de l'air toutes fraîches. Hein, Micheline?
Tu sais, Micheline, je te trouve très belle, même si ton prénom est très moche.
les fossiles qui me
Principalement, mais
qui
aussi
me
majoritairement
qui me fait trembler
des céréales,
parce que je suis pas
des focalisés de
top 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 sur les cils.
avec des minéraux, par exemple.
Et là, elle est où?
À la traite. Allez, vive les filles.
Et quand on n'est pas arrivé. Et ensuite, le lait, il va où?
Après la traite, le lait est refroidi dans ce gros tank qui est refroidi à 4
Un
degrés
peu.
pour conserver toutes ses qualités.
Waouh, ça en fait des bols de lait, tout ça. C'est bon, je prends tout.
Et après, c'est Vincent de chez Lactel qui passe prendre le lait tous les 72 heures.
Alors, je crois que c'est bon comme ça.
Avec mon capacitaire qui va jusqu'à la laiterie.
Bah, ça tombe bien, je dois y aller. Bon, on y va? Allez, fonce, Vincent. Et pour savoir ce qui se passe après, vous pouvez cliquer. Oula.
Donc, elle a dit qu'on fait ça d'abord ici. C'est que je sais d'habitude, mais le mien ça colle pas.
Et il va nous dire comment il a trouvé son entreprise. Suivez-moi.
J'arrive. Ouh, ouh. Hey, Seigneur.
Toi, Mehdi, comment tu as choisi ce secteur d'activité?
Oh, 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 oh. Ça a collé en une seule fois. Eh? Merci, be cute. Too cute. Donc, elle a dit qu'en plus, il ne faut pas le mettre sur les sourcils. You don't have to put it in your natural lash. Just look at mine. Eh?
Ça s'est très bien déroulé.
Et comment tu as trouvé cette entreprise?
C'est l'école de CFA qui nous a mis en contact.
Just put it close to your natural lash. Let it be close, but don't put it on top your natural lash.
Toi, pour ces journées portes ouvertes, tu y allais habillé comment?
J'étais habillé en costume. Maintenant, je pense pas nécessairement que ce soit la priorité. Je pense que la personne connaît ce qu'on vient
Parfait. Parfait. Just look at. Regarde, ça part, hein. Regarde. Ça restait pas. Ça colle pas. Ça colle pas sur votre main. Ça part. Regarde, ça roule. Regarde. Elle avait la même hier. Et parce que elle a dit qu'il y en a ceux qui n'ont pas. Mais la mienne que je vends, ça veut dire que c'est la bonne qualité. Ça part pas. Ça part. Alright. So, maintenant, on va le faire comme elle a fait. Oh là, oh là. Bon, on va laisser sécher.
Donc, à la fin, il y a de grandes chances qu'il reste chez vous.
Voilà. C'est très vite. Bon. C'est bon. Hey, Mr. Man. My big bro. Good afternoon, big woman. Thank you, sir, big man. Good afternoon. I didn't see your message very early. I didn't see your comment very early. How is the family? I hope they are fine. Okay. So we are not going to wait too long because this one is so very tacky, very fast. Voila, you let that one to sit down. Then we'll go here. Oh, this one just sit down very fast. And this one is not sitting down just the way I want it. So let me just work on it. So that one is sitting down very fast. Let's say I cut this one too much. Je l'ai coupé trop peut-être. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can be doing video that writes with my YouTube channel. Ah, this one is just tack once. Wow. I think this I think this one I cut it too much, but I don't want to open another one now. I'll manage it. Okay. Just tuck it once. Yeah. So we will now use this to push it down. Perfect. Wow. All right. Just to cover the lash. Yes, I'm done. So, how do you see this palette? Est-ce que vous avez besoin d'une comme ça? Contactez-moi. Elle est disponible. Alright. Regardez Bani Soune. Maintenant, on va faire le reste. Parfait. Parfait. Okay. Who is it? Ok, maintenant, on va utiliser toujours, vous savez, les bases de maquillage très importantes. Faut l'appliquer sur votre visage. You have to put your primer. So very important. Quand je vais finir là, je vais envoyer ma photo à Too Cute. Almost just like her. Almost. Okay, let me just brush here a little bit. Yeah. Alors. Parfait. Maïpa. What's up? Maintenant, le fond de teint. Faut pas être pressé. Quand si c'est pas urgent, faut pas être pressé quand vous faites votre maquillage. Parce que le maquillage doit faire avec beaucoup d'amour. Beaucoup d'amour. La prochaine fois, j'en ai presque plus. La prochaine fois, ça sera le mat que je vais utiliser. Alors, aujourd'hui, on ne mettra pas beaucoup. We should just have this long life like our parents. That's all we have to pray about for now, because the way the world is going, it's too bad. Sometimes I just want to feel like as if I'm strong, but I'm a little bit, what they call the French, faible par rapport au décès de mon père. Mais j'ai essayé de faire quelque chose qui me plaît, qui va me faire oublier un peu. Voilà. Qui va me faire oublier un peu, mais on ne peut pas oublier, c'est à vie. C'est aggravé à jamais. Mais j'ai fait des choses qui me plaisent pour ne pas trop enchaîner sur la mort de mon papa. Je comprends mes yeux. Ça fait 6 ans que je ne l'ai pas vu. Jusqu'à sa mort là. Je les ai pas vus. Ça fait 6 ans. À son enterrement aussi, je ne vais pas pouvoir y aller. Ça, c'est un truc de fou, quoi. C'est un truc de fou. Parce que je ne vais pas aller là-bas. Et après, On me dit que tu seras quarantine pour 14 jours. 14 jours, ça va devenir 1 mois, 2 mois, 3 mois. Comme les autres, ils sont coincés là-bas. Ah non, moi, je n'ai pas fait ça. Thank you, my darling sister. How is everybody? I'm here. Oh, today I'm free. I say, let me do this makeup. I'm just thinking about Papa every time. I think about him every time. Oh. Sometimes I feel to cry. Sometimes I just hold myself to be strong. Sometimes I just do something that pleases me so that I cannot think about it too much. And that is what you are seeing me doing. And today I'm very free. Yesterday I was very occupied yesterday. Today now I'm free. I say, okay, for me not to think too much about my dad. Let me just come on live Facebook and do this makeup. And make myself feel good. Yeah, that is life for you. You come and you go. That is it. Ok, je prends un peu là. Ouh, pas facile, hein? It's not easy. My makeup artist, this place, is it too much? The white here, is it too much? I should put more this colored. Is it too much? Tell me if it's too much. If it's too much, just tell me so I can add this light pink color to it. My mind is telling me that it's too much. If I'm in Nigeria now, I'm seeing everybody. I will be more happier than the way I am now. So difficult to bear this. Cannot imagine that you have a dad, and at a time he have to leave you. Yeah. That is life for you. Yeah. I don't know why the tears is running out just by itself. Yeah. Okay, I should blend it. Okay, should blend it with the pencil I used before. Okay. Yeah. Okay, oh. May I put the one with tears carry come out? Am I not trying? Eh? What the person never do before? Now once they start time with my people. Hello, Josephine. How are you? Thank you so much. Yes, so we can add, we'll not add where is it? Okay, we are going to add this one. Today I'm not using Mary Kay products. I'm using using Mary Kay primer and Mary Kay foundation, and I'm using Revolution concealer. Okay, this is Revolution concealer. Why am I using it? Because I bought it before I started Mary Kay, before I started selling Mary Kay products, and I have 2 of this, and I also have 2 of the other one, so I cannot throw it away. I wish I have someone now, someone that is close to me that is nice. I can give it to that person, and I cannot give it to my daughter because my daughter, she also have also, because as I order for myself, I also order for her also. So I'm going to mix it with the dark one because I don't want it to be too light. I don't want it to be too light. Just like that. Yeah, I have 2 of this one, 2 of this one. If I see somebody that I will give, I cannot finish it because I've started using Mary Kay product and I don't want to miss too much of product on my body. So I love really Mary Kay product. They are good. And if I see someone that share my video, that show interest, I will send the 2 of this like this to you guys. I will send the 2 of this like you. I will select one person that I will give 2 like this. This is concealer. This is light brown, and this is dark brown. And I will also give Juvia's Place palette. I will also give this palette to the other person. 2 persons, share my video to your wall, share to your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is down below, Precious Makeover TV. So if any of you share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and your friends also do so and subscribe to my YouTube channel, you will be getting this palette from me. It's Juvia's Place. This is what I'm using on my face. I'm just using, I use this one and this one. That's all. That is what I use on my face. So that person will be having this gift from me. So just what you have to do, share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also go to my page and subscribe to either Godwin or Precious or Adestere Hair Beauty. So anyone you like, Adestere Hair Beauty, I speak French there. Godwin, I speak English there, but I don't have too much people that support me in that place, so that is why I'm not there every time. So I'm there just once in a while. But really, I got more people that support me, then I was able to go to that page to do video there and talk in English. Okay, so this one now, this sponge, we are going to wet it a little bit. Okay, just wet it a little bit, and we just dab it. So as I earlier said, I this makeup I'm doing now, I copy it from one of my makeup artists. She's a very, very nice lady, and she lives in Canada. Her name is Too Cute is her name. I'll be following her for past 2 years now. I'll be watching her, and through her I can also do my makeup by myself. And today I'm selling makeup, and I have to also make up myself to show to people also how to make up, how to use it and all that. So I'm not, and also to sell my product also, okay, to enable to sell my product. I forgot to put in under this nose. Just do it like that. You can see, just like that. So in my YouTube channel, I wanted to do live video on my YouTube channel. I discovered that if you don't have 1,000 subscriber, you cannot do live video direct on YouTube. So my sister, my brother, my auntie, my uncle, my friends, do I even have friends? I don't have friends. If I wish I have friends, they would have full year now. I don't even have. So my sister, my brother, share my video. Those that like me, share my video. Please share my video so that people might be interested of what I'm doing. Okay, I forgot to use. Next time I will be using this brush. Okay, this is the brush I saw her using, and next time I will be using it. Tomorrow also I will be doing another makeup. I will go and spy another, not even spy. I'm a fan, so I'm a lover of Too Cute. So I will go to her page to go and look for one style of a high shadow, and if I have it, and I'll come and do it on my wall also. So that is how everybody's style. Everybody have someone that inspired them, like me now. Be Cute inspire me, and other lady, because she's a strong lady. Yeah, Too Cute is a very, very strong lady. She did everything by herself, even her home, everything she do by herself. I love her so much. I love her. I wish I was in Canada. Would have been a friend of her, paying visit to her, make her friend, so that she can also make me more stronger than the way I am now. Okay, because I love women that fight for themselves. When I finish now, I'm going to take picture. I will send it to her. She will be surprised. She's going to be surprised. Thank you very much for that, your like. God bless you. Okay, just like that. And we are going to be adding the what do you call it? Hey, Sacha butter. This is Sacha butter setting powder. Okay, that is what we are going to be adding. But before doing that, you guys all know me. What I always do, if you follow me, I like blending it with brush a little bit. All right, just like that. So I did record at the same time. I'm recording to put on my YouTube, because my YouTube, I have not to leave it like that. I have to entertain people. I have 30 people that subscribe. I still need more. I need up to more than 1,000. I need to do so that I can do live video direct on my YouTube. So I need people to subscribe on my YouTube. Please share. My YouTube is Precious Makeover TV. It's not only, I don't do only makeup. I show people how to take care of their skin by using Mary Kay products. And very soon you can see, before I don't have hair here, so now my hair is growing up. So I make this oil. I make this oil by myself. This I have to remove it. This one is paper that come with this one. Okay, all those one I have to remove. I'll do it later. So this oil I make it myself. So it's hair growth oil. So I use what I used to cook in the kitchen to do it. So I went to Google to find it, how to do it and all that, and I see how and I see some ingredients that I can find in the market. And so this is what I have here. It make my hair to start pulling out, and I'm so very happy. I'm so very happy before I don't have hair there. So Sasha is not finished. I like putting here and here and here. Voila. Okay, so now okay, this brush, I beg, if you didn't see there here, my sister, I know say you dey work. If you see there here, is this brush that they use for contact me. I will be on live on my page, Adestere Hair Beauty. I will be on that page to sell my hair this evening, to present my hair to you guys. So anyone that is interested, hola, we are here. Inbox me. Too much. Let me just lock it. Voila. Too much. You can see that. I wanted to put it under here. We had Sasha butter to Sasha. Okay, so just like that, and that powder, just now we are still coming back to that powder. So I will be using this one because I want to do it sharp. I want to apply all of them once, then I dust. I'm going to be using this palette. I have it as soon as I was seeing. Why I did not throw it away, because of these two colors. So very pigment, all these things you are seeing here. You guys know me now. If I dey buy, I go dey buy. I never finish one, I go dey buy another one. So if you want to buy Juva's palette, I have, you can come and buy from me. And if you want to buy Mary Kay product also, eyebrow shadow, you can come and buy. I have also. All right, and I'm going to be taking also the same to put in here. All right, so that is it, and we are going to dust all of them now at the same time. I forgot, I do not like when this place is too light. Okay. How much is the human hair? Okay, which one, my love sister? Which one? I have different type. I have a kinky coiling hair. I have ordinary coiling hair, and I also have a lot. I will be on live later. I will be on live on my page. I beg my sister, if you never subscribe to my page, if you never like my page, just like my page and follow me. Because if I finish this makeup, I will go to that page to sell my hair. Because this one is honoring my Facebook. Eh? Because I don't want to go to that page to do this makeup. Because I don't want to go to that page twice. I don't want to go to that page twice today. So that is why I'm just doing this one here. So that I can go to that page once. Because you know, so those French people, if you too they send something for their page, you can do. I did many group for their group. If I did that page, I will share my video to all the page, all the group where I deal with. So if I too they do video every day, they send out they go they give they will just report me to their this thing. So that time and they'll come they block my, they're not going to accept all my video where they do. So now make me they do this one for a year. Then if I want to sell my hair and makeup, I will go to my page to go sell my makeup. That's why they do. Because all those people to get wahala. Their rules now boy. I get straight hair. I get colored hair also. I also get bundles. I sell bundles with closure. I sell bundles with closure. I deliver to all country for Europe. But Europe, when I say Europe, that is Germany, Spain, Italy, Swiss, Belgium, other United States, not the United States, America, UK, Iceland and all that. But I don't send to America, I don't send to Australia. Okay, I don't send to all those places because I know before while custom will hold your thing now. Or you say you can't pay that and then you can't make this, you can't give the person money back. Oh, because person will buy you gotta give her money back, eh? If now your custom for a year, now your whole land. Now you say you pay the person will buy you, eh? You pay and back your money. So we give her money back, eh? Not be for quarrel. Okay. So maintenant, qu'est-ce qui me reste? Okay, me I show you one thing why they do. Maybe say I don't like for makeup, as in why they do one. Let me show you guys. Je vais vous montrer ce que j'ai fait, ce que j'aime pas sur le make-up et pourquoi j'ai fait ce genre de choses. Je vais vous montrer. I use, this is Mary Kay loose powder, and they call it translucent powder. It's very good. It make your makeup to be glow. So I will take for this translucent powder with this cotton board like this, and I will pass it through under my eyes like this to make it smooth, and remove some makeup there also to dissolve some makeup there, because sometimes all those powder will go and hide on all those corner is not good. It doesn't make it fine. You can see that. Okay, bonbon. Right now I'm going to be putting my powder, the translucent powder I love so much. Okay, you dabby that, man. Alright. Bon. Ça, on va le fermer. Oh Seigneur Jésus-Christ. Oh, bah ça y est. Ok. Right now. Okay. Now that I am done, I'm going to put my blush. Okay. But some people put blush before. I also have this white powder from Kiko. It's also good also. That is what I used before. Okay. But I just use it on my face from Kiko. I use it for my face. It's really smoothing the face. But I prefer this Mary Kay on. And I'm going to be using this one here, but I have another color also. I don't know, the other day I thought I even ordered a blush from Mary Kay, but I'm not seeing it. So I have these two colors. My mind is telling me to use this one. I don't know, so je vais utiliser ça. Ils m'ont dit tout. Eh, c'est qui c'est là? Non, ne m'appelle pas. Oh, qui il a coupé ma vidéo? Oh. So, just the way I said, I'm just doing my makeup just like too cute. Yesterday, I washed you. I really love the makeup and I decided to do it. You're going to tell me if it's well done. Rice Coffee. Même l'enregistrement que j'ai fait, je sais même pas comment je l'ai fait. Hein. Je sais même pas. Ça fait 2 heures que je suis là. 2 heures. J'aime bien quand on le voit ici, là. J'aime bien quand on le voit là-bas. Et après, highlighter. Hey, highlighter. I've not yet gotten highlighter. I'm showing you guys every time I'm using. Je vous montre tout ce que j'utilise. J'ai pas encore le highlighter de Mary Kay. Je sais pas pourquoi. Je vais chercher tout à l'heure. Voilà, je vais chercher tout à l'heure pour pouvoir mettre dans le panier. Je vais commander. Ça, c'est highlighter de Revolution. It's very good. I love it. This highlighter, I think I've having it since 2018. So, you're one of one who, if one who are war, if one who, if I give a rowa, if I knew my big, I don't eat too much. I don't use things too much. Okay. Hey, I did not want. I have another highlighter that I bought from one website, but I will be using this one today. I think I made a mistake there. Voilà. Okay. I really love this highlighter. I love it so much. give it glow, give it there, and you put here and here. You take from the highlighter and put on your nose. Okay. Makeup is just a passion. If it's something you love, you can do it. It's just a passion. Just the way I'm just doing it now, I'm just feeling happy. I'm just happy, and it making me feel good. But you don't pack it on your face too much like egugu. When it's too much, you be like ikbu. Okay. So in my nose like this. If it's not enough, you add to it. Voila. Now you can see it. Then you cut a little bit so it can look natural. Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, so I'm going to take the other brush just now, this one, to blend my makeup together. Okay, I'm not going to put any powder because there is already powder on it. Just put it in like this to make it together. Okay. And I have this brush. If you cannot see this thing very well, you just take the brush that you use just to do it like that, just to give you that shape, because that shape you need it. If you don't have that shape, you have not yet makeup, because all of them will just be like, say you just put all the same thing for one place, for all the old places. So just like that. So now we are going to take our mascara. See how my people, if we don't want to buy to gum your this thing, see, this one is the best. This one, you use this one to gum it. Before, I used to scared when people will come and buy from me. They will say they want to use this for their lash, their artificial lash. I will be very, very scared for them. I will say for you, but if you have problem, it's not my business. But I get you. The woman that inspire me a lot, the woman that I watch to do my makeup, the woman that she's a woman that someone would like to hold on, and you will never fail to do any good thing in your life if you are hold on to that woman. You can go to and like her page. It's too cute. She's the one that I normally watch to do my makeup. After I watch a video, I'll go and do the makeup. Yes, and I never as in, I'm almost close to the way she do her makeup. The only place I'm not close to her is just this eyebrow. Okay, the way she cut her eyebrows, she's so fantastic. So one day I will get to that stage. I'm still learning from her. When I finish, as I earlier said, I'm going to take a picture. I will send to her. I'll tell her thank you. I have 2 Facebook. I keep that I use. When I say I use, yes, that I use to follow her. So I will follow her until I become a professional makeup artist. Okay, so that is it. So let's finish, and we are going to Like this one, I would have not put that one. Now this one for put for year. You see, huh? Now this one not for put for year because that one I come let's say too white, but you know mean. Next time, come let's say too white. And the same say too white. May I put some color good. I will put that one for good. Okay. So now I love to use this one at the end. Oh my God, mama. I love to use this one at the end. And I beg, when I wait, me I go bring my spray. I forgot it. Let me bring one spray. I put it back here. Let me just bring it out. So I also have this spray. I've never seen fixing spray from Mary Kay. I will check. I know that they have, definitely they have. I will check and I will also buy. Well, this one I'm using is from Revolution. I've been using it for 3 years now. Okay, yeah, 3 years, but each time I used to buy it twice in a year. Okay, this one I just knew buy it when there was a when there was closed down. That is what I bought this one, so I have to use it. So yeah, just like that. Then we'll put eyelash. Not be eyelash. What do they call themselves? We'll put mascara on our face. I also sell mascara. If you want to buy, inbox me. We don't put. So this mascara, you can see, I'm all weather. I'm all weather. It's not because I'm selling something that I cannot buy from other mark. This one now is concurrent also from concurrent Mary Kay also, and this one is from Unique. Okay, that I bought from them also. You can see I'm all weather. You asked me for years, so I don't get time. It's not your good. Even though don't be something what they say. I will buy and my body I won't put down. It concern anybody, not concern anybody. As all those guys always say, it concern you. If you don't feel bonko, it concern you. And not true. It not concern you. If you got boyfriend, the boyfriend no marry, it concern you. It not concern you. No concern you, no concern me. Okay, just look at that. Hey, omonge keperempe. Worry. I bet me put for the under. I don't get time. I already finished. I want enter my page. Go send my human hair. I like putting it down here like this, but this mascara is not perfect for it. It just they give me stains sometimes. If I use them for done, let me bring another one that is more perfect. Hey, we never even put a lipstick. Oh, hey, bye. You, where you now? You be there just now. This where they find something, no they see. Okay, this mascara is very good when I'm using it. Yeah, it's so very good. Perfect. You can see that. The way it bring out my under lash. Perfect. Perfect. So I would like to put something here, one color here, but I will leave it like that. So let me do my lipstick. Simple lipstick, simple one. Not that ash. Okay. I do not want ash lipstick. This lipstick, I like it, but il could des clink I want. Bonjour, Laetitia, ça va? Bisous aussi à toi. Bisous. I love it. So it's for sale also. You can come and buy also. I have it for sale. So, but I'm not going to leave it like this. I'm going to be putting this Pilapierre a cream, kiss proof lips cream. Okay, gloss. They call it Glomistune. Okay, so this one I've been using it last year. You can see. Il y a mon enfant roux, hein. Il y a mon enfant roux. À voir. Perfect. But one thing is that I'm not going to leave it like this also. I have to do contouring because my lips I have a small lips. So I have to do contouring and I need, this is Dior. I'm going to use my Dior to do contouring. As I earlier said, I don't buy contouring stick like this. I don't buy because all those things is this one that is inside. So I don't buy it for sale. So if you want to buy contouring, I don't have. But if you want to buy, hey, okay, tomorrow I will do makeup with Mary Kay, with all Mary Kay product that I have for face. I will use it to make up because I have their lipstick now. Their lipstick that I have, I think I have almost 20. Okay, 20 with different color. So I will do that tomorrow so that you guys will also tell me the difference of using this makeup and Mary Kay on that I will be doing tomorrow. I know Mary Kay is the best. I know it perfectly. Oh, Mama, you're mieux now. That's why they find something, not this here. Okay, I use this one. Okay, so I will be using this one. I will use this pencil. Okay, is a, how they call it, corner pencil, how they call it, I don't know, but I'll be taking it like this, just a little from the lipstick of Dior. I take a little bit to do my contouring. I don't want to use black. So if you have small lips, you need to do contouring when you put your lipstick. Do contouring so that it can bring out your small lips. You can bring it out so that you can see what you put on your lips. That one also, I also learn it in television. It's also good to learn television. This I don't know what they call it. I forgot it. I've been watching it since years now. Je sais pas. I don't know if it's la femme parfaite ou... Just look at the way you bring it out. Beautiful. Yes. Parfaitement parfait. So, now, what hair are we going to put on our head, in my head? I have curling hair. I have straight hair. I have different type of hair. So, which one I want to put, I don't know. Let's just try two and let's see. But the other one, I did not style it. But I'm going to put it like that. I did not style it. I did not style it. I wanted to wash it, but I didn't wash it again because I'll be wearing it for long now. Okay. For long now. So, as you are finished, you can put on this wig just like that. Let me see. Let me push it to the front a little bit. Okay. So this wig is made with machine, and I am the one that make it with machine. I made it with machine. I constructed it with myself with my machine, with my sewing machine that I have at home. Sewing machine that every normal person can have at home. So that is what I use to sew this wig. So the finishing, even if you use machine to sew wig, the finishing will not be will not be sewed with machine. You have to use your hand to sew the closure to it or the frontal to it. But the rest of the bundles we are sewed to the cap with machine. And the rest of the hair I have that I constructed by myself also, I constructed them with hand, and you cannot even know if it were hand or machine. They are very solid, they are very good, they are very beautiful, you know. So I will be showing them when I finish this video. Now I will just go to my page, Ades Thierry Hair Beauty. I will just go there to present some of you hair that I made, and more that I have, but I cannot bring all of them out. But if you want any hair and you want to buy, just inbox me, tell me the type of hair you want, and I will also send the pictures to you, because I don't sell hair that I don't have with me. The hair I have with me is the hair I will set for you. But I know definitely that if it's not hair that is colored, I know that if it's not colored hair, definitely I have the hair. Because colored hair, I don't buy colored hair. I do colored myself. I colored my hair by myself. My customers, they always ask me to color the hair they bought from me by myself. I have a very good colored that you can apply to your hair that will not spoil your hair. As you can see this one, you can see the under, this golden blonde color. I do it myself, and many other more hair also. Ades Hair Beauty, je vous écoute. Bonjour ma soeur, comment vas-tu? Ça va. D'accord, il me restait une, le Kinky Coily là. Il me restait une, je mets à côté pour toi. Il me restait une, il me restait une, je mets à côté pour toi alors. Non, deux gels nettoyants. Oui, c'est ça s'appelle les nettoyants. oui, deux gels plus la crème de jour, la crème de nuit, tu m'as dit. Voilà, les deux plus la perruque. Ok, bon, ça marche. Il y a le parfum aussi, hein. Tu vas aimer le parfum. Ah oui, tu vas aimer, tu vas sentir, oui, tu vas sentir le parfum. Je suis sûre que tu vas le prendre. Oui. Comment vous trouvez mon maquillage? Est-ce que j'ai bien maquillé ou pas? Do I make up? The makeup, is it beautiful or not? Are they beautiful or not? Fantastic. I think it's beautiful. Then, you can also put another hair. Also, this hair have two color. You have two color. Okay? You have two color. You can see there. You can see there. You have two color. And this hair is made with hand. You can see there. So, you have chipped back. Perfect. So, you can see it, the way this hair is beautiful. Wow, and the color in this hair is so very scenty. It's so very scenty. So you can wear it just the way you want, center part. And the hair also have another part, I think so. The hair have another part. So I will go to my page so that I will show. You have another part. Let me go to my page so that I will show you guys very well this hair. Just join me on my page. You can see it. You have another part somewhere. And this hair is virgin hair. I constructed it. It was black hair. I colored it. I bleached it and colored it. And you can see it has another part. Just do it to you guys. You just need to do it very well with your comb. And the hair doesn't spoil. You just what you need. You gotta have this type of thing. Cuckoo. You put it there. Cuckoo. Just look at that. Just look at that. So curling hair, when you fix curling hair in the cap, you don't need to remove from the closure, because sometimes it do go out. So the one that go out is enough. So but sometimes it doesn't go out also, so you don't even need to remove from the curling hair, you know. But if it's a normal straight hair, I do remove from the closure so that it will play to give me the natural side of it. So this one is okay like this. Just look at it. So very beautiful hair. This hair I've colored it, me colored before, and I turned it to this colored 2 days ago. You see the way it is. Okay, so let's go to my page, Adès Hair Beauté. Let's go to Adès Hair Beauté. Let me just write it down in case nobody know the page. Alors, Adès Hair Beauté. Yeah, so that is my page. That is my page where I speak. I did not pin it. So that is my page where I speak English. I speak French. To go to the page where I speak English, is the name is very simple. Na God Win. Na God Win. Just write it. Na God Win. You just take you there. Just give it thumbs up and follow me, and click the button of follow me there. So just by you show your interest by what I've already done there, then I will know that people begin to have interest of what I'm doing there, so that I can be coming there to do live video there also. But this normal page, the other page that I'm going to now. That is where I send my hair to my French people and all that. So if you want to be part of us and you understand French, stay with us in that page of Adestiri Hair Boutique. God bless you. Let's just go there now before my battery runs out. So that is it. Ciao ciao.